The Artificial Intelligence Act, Regulation EU 2024/1689, Article 9 mandates a robust risk management system for high-risk AI systems. This system is not a one-time exercise, but a continuous, iterative process spanning the entire lifecycle of the AI system. This means ongoing review and adaptation are crucial. The core requirement for providers of high-risk AI systems is the establishment, implementation, documentation, and maintenance of this system. This involves several key focuses. First, comprehensive risk identification is paramount. This includes identifying both known and foreseeable risks associated with the intended use of the AI system. Second, a thorough risk evaluation is necessary, considering risks from both intended use and foreseeable misuse. This ensures a comprehensive assessment. Third, post-market monitoring is essential. Data gathered from post-market surveillance allows for the evaluation of risks arising during the actual operation of the high-risk AI system. This data informs the iterative nature of the risk management process. Fourth, effective mitigation measures must be implemented to address identified risks. These measures should be targeted and demonstrably effective. The system must also specifically consider the vulnerabilities of certain user groups, particularly those under 18 years of age. Testing of the AI system is crucial to verify compliance with defined performance metrics. The design and development phases should actively incorporate risk reduction strategies wherever technically feasible. The risk management system should integrate with existing internal risk management processes, where applicable, under EU law. Finally, ongoing compliance monitoring is vital to ensure the continued effectiveness of the implemented measures. In summary, providers must establish a comprehensive risk management system encompassing risk identification, evaluation, mitigation, testing, and continuous monitoring. This system must account for vulnerabilities and integrate with existing processes. Regular reviews and updates are mandatory. Failure to comply with these requirements constitutes a breach of the regulation. For further details on the requirements of Article 9 and related articles, please refer to the GRC library. Thank you.